You can be successful at making money online with these tips. There are multitudes of people struggling in this economy, and many would love to work for themselves. Some people, however, don't know how to get themselves out of the hole they are in. Online income streams are the key. This guide will give you tips on how to make money online. People who have a knack for writing may find success with a revenue sharing option such as InfoBarrel or Squidoo. You can write about anything you'd like, as long as it's in good taste and legal, and you'll make a portion of the income for the post. You will also be a part of the affiliate program with Amazon, which can make you more money. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Now you understand, earning money online is highly possible. There is truth to the fact that you can start making money on the internet as soon as you're done with this video. Others are doing it, why shouldn't you? Do your research and determine which options are viable, and then go from there. Student loan.